is a legend that there was a warrior who was stabbed or penetrated by an arrow, and the arrow was taken out, and a disease or a condition that he'd had previously, which was completely unrelated to the area where the arrow pierced him, cleared up. And as I say, it is a legend, but from that people started to recognize that there were certain points that were influential, and by working on certain points you could affect a certain part of the body.
Before any treatment started, Moira explained the whole procedure, and she also established what kinds of problems I was having and what I wanted to be worked on.
Well, Ernest, you've mentioned to me that you're feeling quite stressful. We never go into a treatment without, first of all, discussing with the person what they're feeling, how they're feeling, the signs and symptoms that they're showing. For our treatment to be effective, I'm going to have you lying very comfortably on the bed so that you feel relaxed and you feel supported. So after I've cleaned the skin on all the different points that we're going to use, I'm going to use a little machine. It's a TENS machine, and just to show you that it is physically possible to locate an acupuncture point with a machine so that you know that the point actually exists. We're going to start with the point on top of the head, which is called Do 20 or Bawi. It is the major tranquilizing point of the body, and we use it for all treatments. Then the point on the hand is the point we call large intestine 4 or Hegu, major pain-killing point for the body, and also a major homeostatic point. Means that it helps to regulate the energy in the body and brings about balance. Then the point on the outside of your leg, just below your knee, that we're going to use is what we call Zusandi or stomach 36. It is a tonification point. And then we'll go down onto the foot and around the ankle, where we've got what we call spleen 6, which is quite a strong regulating point, and the one in between the what we call the malleolus, or your heel bone and your ankle bone, and then one on your foot as well. Now these points I've chosen are from what we call the Magnificent 7 or the Zhang Fu points, which we use to tonify and lift up the energy in the body.
This herb is imported directly from China and forms a vital part of the treatment. When lit, the herb radiates an ultraviolet ray, which warms up the acupuncture needles, and in doing so, aids the whole healing process. Well, that's done. I must say I feel a whole lot better. And believe it or not, it doesn't hurt.